Welcome to Decode Chinese Characters.
Let's continue our number series. Stick with me. By the end, you'll definitely be able to say any number in Chinese with ease. Today, we're going to learn the number 4. In our previous episode, we learned the characters 一, 二, 三. Remember? One line is 1, 2 lines make 2, 3 lines make 3. You might start to wonder, so are Chinese number characters written this way? 4 horizontal strokes for 4, 5 for 5, 6 for 6? Haha, if we really wrote numbers like that, big numbers would be a disaster. You'd be counting strokes all day. In fact, in Oracle Bone script, people simply drew 4 horizontal lines to show the number 4. But later, because those 4 lines were easily confused with the 3-line symbol for 3, people began using another character instead. This character originally meant breath, and its shape looked a bit like a nose. Most historians believe that since the breath character sounded similar to the word for 4, people eventually used it to represent the number 4. Over time, that ancient form slowly evolved into the modern character made up of today's standard strokes, like this one. It's pronounced si. In modern Chinese, si simply means the number 4. It's also commonly used as a phonetic component in other characters. When you see a radical combined with si, the whole character is usually pronounced si. For example, all of these are read as si. The character si can also form many useful words, such as 四季 means the 4 seasons, spring, summer, autumn, and winter. 四方 means the 4 directions, east, south, west, and north. 四周 means the nearby area, all around you. Let's practice reading it together. 四 四 四. Now, let's look at how this character is written. The character si is a fully enclosed structure character. It is made up of 2 parts, the outer component, kou, and the inner component, er. According to the writing rule from outside to inside, we begin by writing the strokes of the outer, kou. Start with the vertical stroke on the left. Then write the vertical bending hook on the right side. Next, we move on to the inside. On the left side, write the left falling stroke. Then, on the right side, write the vertical turning stroke. After we finish writing the inner component, we finally add the bottom horizontal stroke to close the outer frame. Remember this important rule for fully enclosed characters: we always finish the inner part first and then add the bottom stroke to close it. It's just like putting things into a box before sealing it shut. The character, si, should look like a wide horizontal rectangle rather than a square or a tall vertical shape. If you make it too tall or too perfectly square, the character will look awkward and unbalanced. Here's something interesting. If you travel to Beijing, China, you'll often see this traditional style of Chinese house. It's a classic type of residence called a 四合院. The name comes from its structure. The main rooms stand around 4 sides, forming a fully enclosed courtyard in the center. Here, 四 refers to the 4 sides, and 合院 means an enclosed courtyard. So the next time you see a building with a similar layout, you can still call it a 四合院. Got it? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. More Chinese character stories are coming soon.